There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hey everybody, we're finally here. Thank you guys so much for being on here. Dominik, it's awesome to have you on. This is going to be an awesome moment here in AP's time as we're launching Kraitos 2.0 and a lot of awesome features. It's going to have what you're going to learn about a chill out mode, which is going to help with drawdown. It's also going to have a trailing stop loss, which is going to help profit more. And there's going to be some other cool features. So Dominik, I'm excited, man. There's people on here. As Dominik's getting started, please reach out to the chats. Let everyone know the call has gotten started. And Dominik, brother, take it away, man. I'm excited to hear about this.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Matt. I'm excited for all of you that you're here with us, everybody that's watching also the recording. I know that we had like some hiccups with Kraitos. Oh my God, I have so many calls with Kraitos, but I definitely still believe that Kraitos is one of the best EAs. It wins a lot of trades. The only thing what we are trying now to do is actually how to minimize risk when some pairs go on a fast run and there is like not a retracement for like a longer period of time. It happened to us now on Euro USD, also NZD CAD, USD CAD, GBP CAD. So we are always looking how to make things better. You have to know that in the market, especially the Forex market, the most liquid market in the world and also the biggest financial market in the world, guys, nobody cares about us. Nobody cares about our money. Nobody cares about our emotions and nobody cares about our trades. You have to know that. So what we have to do every single time is we have to adapt to the market because the market's not going to adapt to us. So always only risk the money that you can afford to lose. And in that in mind, now this is our way. So now we can jump in. So Kraitos 2.0, it's going to be pushed to your VPS either today or tomorrow. Okay, we already have it on our VPS, so we just have to push it. But yeah, Kraitos 2.0, everybody was waiting for that. Me also personally, we were testing it like now for the last 2-3 weeks. So now the big changes that everybody was waiting for with the proximity settings and like different entries, how Kraitos enters into the market, this is not all done yet. Okay, so we will need at least 3 more weeks to test that properly out. We will be starting a beta test group also on Wednesday for proximity settings and also some other goodies that we're going to be implementing on Wednesday. So be patient. It's going to take at least 3 weeks that you're going to get Kraitos 2.5 to 3.0, whatever we're going to call it. Okay, but for now, what you're going to get, I will jump into my VPS because I already have it on my VPS and we're going to go through the settings so you guys understand the settings. So as you can see, first of all, what you guys will get, okay, I can do it here. But anyway, here on your side, you will see, if you look in the left side of the screen, you will see you will have Kraitos -2 and we're also going to leave on Kraitos 1.0, okay? Because we know that some people love it, some people don't want to touch the new stuff straight away, so we decided we're going to leave you the version 1 and also the version 2 so you can choose whichever version you want to trade with, okay? The next thing, what we did in the version 2.0, I will open it up now, the settings, so you understand, and then we're going to go over And please, guys, if you have any questions, write them into Q&As or chat, and then I will answer all of your questions so we can go one by one through so you get the best information that you possibly can. So first of all, decision units, don't look at them here, 5 and 15. This is just like so we can test it properly so it can open up trades really fast, okay? Position size, as you see, I'm running 0.01 per 10,000. Me personally, until Kraitos with proximity settings doesn't come out, I will be running my Kraitos accounts on 0.01 per 1500 or 0.01 per 2000. Okay, this is my decision. Why is this my decision? Because I see what can happen, and my first thing in investing is to preserve money, not to gain as much as possible in every single month, okay? I'm also trading 28 pairs at the same time, all of the pairs that Kratos can scan and also trade, so I get like better results, so I can see fast how it's also working. Bulwark, you all know by now, it's that Kratos doesn't trade the same currency. Again, if you have this set to false, guys, set it to true. Why to true? Because we also know what happened this week on CPI news. Dollar just plummet underneath $100 DXY. So what does that mean? Euro USD exploded, GBP USD exploded, USD JPY fell to the ground, and all the pairs that it included USD exploded even or fell like really hard. So if you had your bulwark to false, you are in some trouble. You're even 10-15% in drawdown. So turn your bulwark on, okay? Then we have add to position if positive. You already know these settings. So we add positions if the first position is in positive. But the next thing, what everybody was asking for, it's trailing stop on the first trade. So we listen to you guys, we implemented it and how it works, okay? If you have trailing stop loss on the first trade on true, then add to position if positive will not work. So how does it work? If you put trailing stop on the first trade to true, and you put here add to position after X pips to 30, and then you have trailing stop pips by 10, it means what? That when the 30 pips it's reached, it's gonna put a stop loss 20 pips into profit. It's not gonna open up another trade, but what it's gonna do, the initial trade is gonna be trailed by 10 pips. So if it goes 31 pips, it's going to move to 21 pips in profit. If it goes to 35 pips, it's going to put it 25 pips in profit, and it's going to trail it by 10 pips, so you can have a little bit moving space around like how you would like and how much moving space you want to give it. So here it's like that. You can even put it 15 and you put it here 5. So when the first initial trade, it's 15 pips in profit, it's going to secure 10 pips and it's going to trail by 5 pips, okay? First trade take profit, always also put it here. If you have this set to true, always put it like the same as here. It's add to position after X pips, after X pips. So here you would do it here to first take profit, you will do it here 15. Then we have here take profit on a scaling pair. It's the same as it was before. So here we have like divided opinions, okay? Some people like to set it a little bit higher, some people like to set it a little bit lower. In my opinion, and what I saw in the last days is like that the sooner that you get out of the trade, the better, okay? If you have like 2-3 trades open on Kratos, what I also saw is like the best is to get out of the trades as soon as possible. Why? Because Kraitos has a really high winning percentage of the first initial trade. So close out, don't go for a home run, just close it out, wait for another trade, okay? Spread in filter in pips, it's the same settings that it was. Relaxing after X many trades, okay? So what is relaxing after X many trades? So if you set it here to 2, you can set it here even to 1. If you set it here to 1, Kratos will only open 1 trade per pair. Okay, so what does that mean? Initial trade, it opens, that's it. It's not going to open up any other trades. If you set it here to 2, it's going to open up the first initial trade and only 1 managing trade. It's not going to open up any more trades. If you set it here to 3, it's going to open first initial trade, second managing trade, and the third managing trade, and that's it. Okay, so me personally, I will be keeping that at 3. Why at 3? Because what I saw, it's like if we go more than 3 trades, then the 4th trade, it's already like a high lot size. And for me, I rather see that the market makes the reversal before it opens automatically the fourth trade. So me personally, I will keep it here at 3. Equity protector, we all know how equity protector works. If you have 100%, then you're risking 100% of your account. When Kraitos comes installed, okay, it comes with 25% equity protector. My equity protector, my big account got hit this week, okay? I help a lot of people manage my accounts. I moved their equity protector, but I forgot to move my equity protector, so I got hit with 25%. Okay, I got hit with 25%. I know it's not optional, like optimal, but hey, guys, we can make 25% back. So what I will be playing around, I see that like because we have a really good community, I love like how you guys help each other, like thinking, putting out ideas. I also see that one guy it's running equity protector only at 1%. And I was thinking about it, and that's like actually really smart. Why it's really smart? Because high winning percentage on Kraitos, if it wins the first trade really high, he never gets in a trouble. He gets out and he's making around 3 to 4% every single month, and he's only risking 1%. So this is really, really smart. The next thing, what it's in Kraitos and what I personally changed, it's the max allowed lot size. Okay, I left it here how the developer said, but what I figured out is that once Kratos opens up a fourth trade, it's a really, really big trade, okay? And I don't like big lot sizes. I rather have smaller lot sizes and that they open up more because then I don't have such an exposure into the market. So what I'm personally doing, instead of dividing my balance with $10,000, with my balance with 10,000, I'm dividing it with 12,500 or 15,000, okay? Because I don't like the big lot sizes. This is my preference. This is how I'm doing it. You decide how you want to do it, but I rather open up that it can open a bigger lot size than I'm like sleeping and it opens up a big lot size, because it happened to me and it opened up 10 lots. When I saw 10 lots, I'm like, oh my God, this is way too much on the bigger accounts. Okay. So these are the changes that are coming out this Saturday. In 3 weeks time, 3 to 4 weeks time, we're gonna implement bigger changes. Okay, and what is the bigger change? The bigger change, it's proximity. We will also talk to the developer on Tuesday, because he said, guys, we can do whatever you want because we have a lot of ideas. So me, Tyler, and some more guys from the beta group that they're like really involved with Kratos and they have good ideas, good results and everything. We are putting together a list of different settings, different things that we saw what we can implement. So one of the things that we're going to implement, it's a really good idea that we can get like sniper entries. So like, what does that mean? Okay, Kratos initial trade, it's really good 80% of the time. But now what we're trying to implement is that it skips the initial trade and then it goes in for the first managing trade, or even the second managing trade. So you're gonna get less trades, but the managing trades are also like really high winning percentage, so you can like even avoid some drawdown. So these are like some ideas that we're gonna implement through time. And guys, I'm telling you, Kratos is just gonna get better and better and better and better. We all know that it's not easy when our customers lose money. I lost money, Matt lost money, a lot of people lost money. But guys, we are implementing, we're doing it better because we really want you to have the best EAs possible. And this is what it's our job. Our job, it's listen to you, get good ideas, and then implement these good ideas into our EAs so you guys have the good experience that everybody wants from Forex. But again, as I told you guys, there is not a perfect EA. There is not a perfect strategy. They're always losing strategy and they're always going to be losing trades. It's just how you handle these losing trades, losing periods, because most of the people give up after the first loss. Okay. And always remember, millionaires become millionaires because they lost hundreds, thousands of dollars. Billionaires became billionaires because they invested and lost millions of dollars. Okay. So if you lose 500, 200, 5,000, $10,000, guys, it's not the end of the world. Just always invest the money that you can afford to lose. Okay, so now let's jump into the into one setting that everybody waiting for, and this is the proximity setting. So how does the proximity setting work? I will show you right now on the chart. But you have to know that not even the proximity setting is going to be the one that's going to be guaranteed you now, oh my God, you will never have any drawdown, you will always have like only positive trades. Okay, again, that doesn't exist. If you're looking for something like that, it's like always positive, always everything super fine, profits, whoa, I don't have to do anything. Guys, I'm suggesting to you right now, close out your broker accounts, take the money out, put your money somewhere else, because this is not Forex, okay? But what the proximity settings will do, it's gonna filter out a lot of bad trades. So what I mean with a lot of bad trades, the proximity setting will work this way. It will look at the daily chart and it will look at the daily candles, okay? And in proximity setting, you will actually have a setting that you will say, okay, look at the last 30 candles, look at the last 40 candles, look at the last 60 candles of the market daily, what was the range, okay? So right now you can see the proximity setting here for the sales already moved up. Okay, why I don't have the replay mode here? Maybe I do. Let me see. Replay. Okay, I actually have it. So we're gonna remove this. Okay, so you can see now the proximity setting for the last 2 days. What happened? Okay, you see where it was. So proximity setting would look for a signal right here for sales. Okay, you can see for sales right here. So what happens now? If we go and we press play, and now you see, bam, market moved. So what does that mean? The proximity setting also moved. But if Kraitos would see here for the signal for sell, he would go into sells here. So let's say, so you guys understand how the proximity setting will work. We have sells here. Okay, right here. We enter a sell. We enter a sell here. Market moves. Let's press play. Bam. Market moves. Okay, market moves. Market moves. But instead of being from drawdown from here, okay, because again, there is no silver bullet, we would be in sales here, like how I was in sales on Euro USD already somewhere here. We would maybe get the first sell right here. And this, it's a big difference. This is a difference already of 150 pips. So now we would do what? We would minimize the risk for at least half. You see, maybe we would be in 100 or 150 pips drawdown. What? It's not bad, because the way Kraitos works, it's really not bad. But now let's jump into a different pair. Sorry, I want to just do something. I see some lag. So let's jump in, let's say, into NZD cat. Okay, NZD cat. Again, you can see here, I have to just do something. NZD cat. Okay. NZD cat. Sorry, I have to share screen again. Share screen. Okay, we have NZD cat. And again, if we do the replay mode, you can see this is like where the market is right now. But let's do the replay. Where do we have it? Okay, let's do the replay. So we were Friday. Let's do, how does this work? Yes. Replay. Okay, we didn't have Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday. I think it was here, the first trade. So you see where the proximity trade is now. So right now, we will have sales where? The sales, we will be waiting for sales up here. Why? Because it was a big move. So right now, if we press play, okay, let's press play. Bam, you see, no trades, no trades, no trades. We are still waiting. Why? Because we would be only selling right here. So with NZD cat, it would work perfectly, but it will not work every time so perfectly how it would work with NZD cat. Also, one thing you have to have in mind, the bigger, the more you're gonna have like units inside here, the more conservative you're gonna be, the less trades you're gonna see. Why? Because it's not gonna open up trade here, it's not gonna open up trade here, it's not gonna open up trade here. So it's always two sides of the coin. The more conservative you go, the less trades you're gonna have. The more aggressive you go, the more trades you're gonna have, but also the more exposure you're gonna have, because you can also set here that it's like only four units. So it's gonna start opening up trades sooner to the top or sooner to the bottom. Okay. So this, what we are working on, we're gonna really test it now in the next 3 weeks. On Wednesday, the group starts of testing, and we will also add some more goodies inside. The next thing, what I want to show you, we are also working on a different version that it's similar to Kraitos, but that one that it's only working on gold. Okay, that one it's not gonna come out now in the next 3 weeks because we're also gonna start testing it on the beta group on Wednesday, but we are close. It's like already running on demo accounts. It's already running on live accounts. I just want to share also the results with you, so you can see what we came up with in the last 60 days that we are already running it. And these are the results. Okay, you can see it here. This is going to be only trading on gold. It did 13, almost 15% already from May 8th till July 8th. So it's been already 60 days tested in the real market environment. It did 6% with biggest drawdown 7%. You can also see it is some drawdown. So I'm already getting access on it on Monday, putting it on live account, and I will also put the live account on my FX book so you can also follow it. But yeah, it looks really promising. So we are working on a lot of things that you get the best EAs that you possibly can. Do our account automatically update to 2.0? Yes, everybody's gonna get it automatically when we push it. We will also announce it in Discord and also in the Telegram channel, and you will also go. For those waiting for withdrawal, will we receive it once Kraitos 2.0 is in effect? Waiting for withdrawal. I don't know. You have to talk to your broker. Usually withdrawals from the broker take 24 hours, but I don't know what you're asking for. So you have to ask your sponsor or message your broker. We don't have anything to do with the withdrawals, but 2.0 it's coming out. Yeah, this week. Webinar chat. Is there any more questions? Please put the questions into the either Q&A or put them into the chat so I can answer your questions.
Hey, Dominik, also let everyone know they're going to have option. If everyone wants to stay with 1.0, they can.
Exactly,
so
exactly.
2.0 or 1.0.
Yes, we will leave. I already explained that. So we will leave 1.0 and we will add 2.0. So if somebody just wants to stay with 1.0, you guys can stay on it, and we will leave it on as long as is necessary. So everybody are like really confident with 2.0, and then after everybody's confident with 2.0, we're gonna we're gonna take away that 1.0. Is it being released today? Yes, it's already on the VPSs. So we just have to wait for our stuff and that they push it to everybody. We all know that CPR data created a weak sentiment in USD for a few days. How can this knowledge be implemented into Kraitos? So I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you that, guys, but I was talking to the developer a few days ago. I think it was on Thursday when all this stuff happened. So what is going to be done? You guys are gonna be like really happy to know that. But you guys know that ChatGPT, the talk of the town, everybody knows about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is gonna be also implementation of one of the safety features into Kraitos. So what does that mean? We will actually do the technical analysis what Kraitos does already. We're gonna combine it with ChatGPT. Okay, because ChatGPT knows how to read news and he knows how to predict the market sentiment. Okay, so then Kraitos will get live information from the market when CPI news comes out, FOMC comes out, whatever news in the forex market comes out, and then if ChatGPT says, okay, let's say NZD USD, it's predicted because of the fundamental data to go down, and Kraitos finds a signal to sell, then it's going to allow sell. But if from the fundamental point, it's going to say no, NZD expects to go up and Kraitos has a sell, it's going to block that sell. So yeah, like it's getting like really interesting with like all these AIs and everything. So really soon, Kraitos is going to be a real artificial intelligence bot that is going to also like read the news and give you the best possible trades. Just that you know that like we are working really hard in the back. Do you need to close the trades on 1.0 to start 2.0? No, because the magic number it's gonna be the same. So the 2.0 is gonna manage also your 1.0 trades. Why would somebody stay with 1.0? Because some people are like that. Okay, version 1.0, it's working. I see it's working. I don't want to be the test bunny because maybe something can happen, something is wrong with the code, even though we have like all the protocols in place that nothing bad can happen. Some people are rather safe than sorry. Okay, so that's why somebody would stay off on it. If you said you want to continue manage trades placed with 1.0, yes, I already answered this. Is the monthly fee more expensive if you get 2.0? No, the monthly fee stays exactly the same. Nothing changes with the monthly fee. Will continue to take trades based from your balance. For now, yes, it will take trades based from your balance. Will the good version, I think you mean gold version, be released the same time as 2.0 version? Is a different EA that you have to pay separately. The 2.0, the gold version will be released separately. It's going to be a separate EA because it's not Kratos. It's something that has some things from Kratos and also some things from brand new. So it's going to be a brand new software that's going to be called a brand new name. What trading strategy is based on? The trading strategy is based, you already have all this in our Auvoria Prime YouTube channel. You can go and look at that too, and you will understand more. Implement that, and I'm a customer for life. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, we are working hard. We want you to, as I said, like have the best experience. I'm telling you, it was not a easy Friday for me, but yeah, it happens. What can we do? We can just move forward. Can we get backtests? We start from different settings, like actual PDFs, also some variant. Yes, we are also talking on that, so we can do it, and you guys can look at the PDFs. But again, guys, backtests are just backtests. Market changes every single day, and I saw a lot of EAs with awesome backtests, and then really low performance in the real market. So the backtest is just a backtest. If you start with 2.0 and keep 1.0, it will both run at the same time. I don't think so. I have to ask the developer, but I know that these developers are really careful with these things, so they wouldn't allow that so it doesn't mess with your trades. Are you going to create a guide document explaining each settings of version 2.0? Yes, that is going to be in support.auvoriaprime.com in the Zendesk, so you will be able to read all about it. Got it. Can you use the gold EA on a prop firm? Guys, the thing with the prop firms, okay, I'm gonna tell you right now. The thing with the prop firms is that they are really strict with the EAs. If the EA it's not yours, if this is like a public EA, you will get flagged. Maybe you will get like one payout, but as soon as possible, they're gonna flag you that you like did like something wrong, that you didn't follow some rules, and you're just gonna lose your account. So we are working on some workarounds, but for now, prop firms are not like our main priority because we know most of us know how prop firms work, but we are working on some workarounds for prop firms too. But for now, prop firms are not our priority. So if you do it, you can do it, but it's on your own risk. Can you do chart analysis on NZDCat to show us when we may see the big reversals like you did in the past with GBP-CAT? Yes, I'm already working on it. I will create a separate video and we'll post it into the Discord and also Telegram channel so you guys can see. When will be 2.0 pushed out? As I said, we have to talk to our staff to see when it's going to be pushed. I just see here I have to tell them to delete the 2.1 untested version so you don't get that version on. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna pronounce your name definitely wrong. Shahib Mehmud, raise hand. Just please type into the chat or question and answers. Your question. That's the easiest way. You don't have to raise your hand. Okay. 2.0 will average how much percent a month? So what it's about the percentage, guys, percentage it's like I can't tell you anything because I'm not like a fortune reader. I don't know the future. It can do 2%, it can do 4%, it can do 10, it can do minus 2%. I don't know. Like this is really hard to say, so I'm not like telling you anything because I don't know. Because the future, it's just the future. We have to first go and live it, and then we will see. Does Kratos enter the same trades for every user? No, it depends. It's like a lot of trades, depends on your strategies, depends on your settings. It doesn't always enter the same. It means Kratos and Kratos 1 means on silver only, both softwares separately. No. Kratos 1 and Kratos 2.0, it's the one pass. You can use either Kratos 1 or Kratos 2 because you only have one account able to attach one trading account. Do we have MyFX book? I will send you the screenshot of it, but for now, these MyFX books are developers' MyFX books and they're private. So when I start my account on Monday, I will give you MyFX books so you can follow along. Oh my good. So many questions. Guys, keep them coming. I love it. Do we have to tell someone we want to partner with? Everything automatically. Guys, you don't have to message anybody, nothing. When we push it, we will announce it in the channel, but we will do it as soon as possible. As initial trade, you says usually, however, what is the average risk to reward for that initial trade? So if it goes, you can set your equity protector. If you set 1%, then it's only 1%. If you set it 2%, it's 2%. If you set it 25%, it's 25%. Kratos doesn't have that. It like just closes automatically like trades. But what you can do now with the new version, let's say you only allow Kratos to open initial trade and one managing trade, and that's it, or one or two managing trades, so three trades altogether, and then you make your own decision. You make your own, let's say, analysis. You say, okay, I don't see the market coming back down. I will close 1, 2, 3 trades, and that's it. And maybe you lost 1% or 1.5%, and that's it. And you continue Kratos to trade more. Everything it's in how do you call it? Auvoria Prime, Zendesk support dot avoriaprime.com. Everything is there, guys. Everything. Everybody has access to that. You don't have to be a member. Everybody has access to our support dot avoriaprime.com. I'm gonna write it here so you have it. Support.com. Sorry, support.avoriaprime.com. Okay, you have everything right here. I can even show you if you guys don't know, will it just be updated or we have. No, if you're gonna decide to put 2.0 on your chart, you will have to do it yourself. It's a new file name, so you have to do it yourself. It's not gonna be automatic. I know, guys, you want everything automatic, but something that is fully automatic doesn't exist. Even the washing machine and the dryer, it's half automatic. You have to put the clothes in, you have to take the clothes out. Okay, so not everything in life can be automated. I wish it could be, but then how would that work? So you can see here, support.avoriaprime.com, and you have like everything right here: products, tools, company, forex trading, marketing system, newsfeed, AP Life, rewards plan, everything. The questions that you have about the products, it's right here. Any setting to allow manual closure of trades. Any setting to allow manual closure of trades without turning off in VPS. Yeah, you just go and swipe it on your phone and just close the trades. So guys, one thing what I would suggest to all of you, it's this website that I think all of you know. Okay, all of you know this website. It's called YouTube, and YouTube, you just put how to, and then you put your messaging how to close trades. Oh, look, trade in MetaTrader 5. And somebody already did a video. You see how to use bulk operations mobile. and go and watch the video. You can learn everything on the internet these days, guys. Every single thing. Always do your own research because that's how you learn the best. Now I open one trade. Guys, again, it's gonna manage the trades 1.0. It's gonna 2.0 is gonna manage 1.0 trades. Okay, so I think that we have all the questions answered. If there wasn't a question answered, and after you put it onto your chart and you have like any questions, just type them into the Discord community. If you're not in the Discord community, get into the Discord community, and you will get all the questions there. So this is it. Matt, you want to add something?
No, thank you so much for all that information. I know it was a lot of information for people who have just been on the 1.0, and that was kind of a big download. But like Dominik said, he's very good at answering questions on Discord. If you have questions, you can go to the support page, to our help desk on Auvoria Prime. We have everything in there, all the settings, all of the everything that you want to look for any of our EAs are all in our help desk. So definitely go there first and look at help desk, because it's really good for you guys to educate yourself on everything rather than just trying to take a shortcut and ask questions. The best way you learn is actually to go learn it and read about it. And we've put a lot of resource into our help desk. So definitely go use that, because there's a lot of resources in there. But we're super excited about 2.0, super excited about the team and all the things they're working on. Look, man, one thing about this team is if there's anything that they look like it could be better, it will be. And we have an amazing beta test team that's beta testing, and seeing what works, what doesn't work, and constantly optimizing. And here's the thing with EAs that you guys might not know about. If a company just throws out an EA and never touches it again, eventually it's going to be trash. An EA always has to be optimized. The markets are always changing. The conditions are always changing. Things are happening. Technology is advancing. And one of the things that I'm proud of our team is we're constantly advancing our products, constantly optimizing to the marketplace and where everything is happening. And that's truly how artificial intelligence happens. Artificial intelligence, the term artificial intelligence is doing something a human being can do. And that's really exciting what we're doing. So Dominik, thank you so much, man, for coming on here. All your hard work, man. Just constantly working with the team, making sure these products are better. Super excited about the future of Kraitos 2.0 and all of our EAs as we keep advancing across the globe. So thank you guys for joining us. I hope you guys are excited. Dominik, it should be pushed out today, or at least before the market opens tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I think that when Bill comes back, he's gonna push it out, and that's it. It's already on the beta VPS, so it just has to be pushed out, and that's it.
So it'll probably
we're gonna make sure. Yeah, we're gonna make sure that everybody has tomorrow the whole day, so even Europe, Australia, everybody, so they can do everything.
Awesome. See you guys. Thank y'all so much. Have a great Saturday. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.